Hey guys, in this video I'm going to show you how to install Photoshop for free without a product key. So open Google Chrome or any other web browser in your device and search for download Ha. So let's open the first link. So let's search for Adobe Photoshop. So in here let's open download Photoshop 2021. So let's scroll down and here you will find download link section. So select your version and click on the link. The file would be downloaded automatically. So I have already downloaded the installer. So let's open it. So it is a zip folder. So let's extract the zip. So it will ask for a password. I have provided the password and download link in the description. So our file is extracted successfully. Let's open the folder. So before getting into installation, let's disconnect our internet. Okay. So double click the setup file so that we can start our installation. So in this part, our installer will ask for administrator permission. So just give S or allow. So let it be default. Let's continue. So the installation might take around 10 to 15 minutes. It depends upon your device's specification. So our installation is successful. Let's close this tab and let's go to start and open our Adobe Photoshop. And even this would take some time. So sit back and relax. So go to file and click new. So now a new tab will appear. So there you can select your width, height and resolution. Once that is done, click create. So now our Photoshop project is created successfully. If you like this video, please like and share with your friends, and please don't forget to subscribe our channel.